here's our lesson for today. So I'm going to make this up, but you're going to go, like Michael said, you're going to go around and you're going to interview. For instance, here's my example of favorite color. So maybe I'd say red or green. Oh, what color am I missing that is a favorite color for you guys? Red, green, blue. What else? Maybe? And yellow. Good enough. Okay, so let's say hypothetically I go through and I tally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That is not 5 categories. That's 4.
I know. 5, 10. Let's see, hold on. 5, 10, 15, 15, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so watch. So I'm going around and I'm interviewing. Stop talking. I know it's Monday. Stop talking. So you have to figure out a category, and this is what I pick. You can pick favorite colors if you want to. Some kids do your favorite soda pop. I mean, now people just drink the Red Bulls. You always, what's your favorite energy drink? What's your favorite sport? All sorts of ideas, but you've got to come up with something where you can interview people, okay? I don't want numerical data. I don't want like how tall are you. I don't want numerical data. We'll do that tomorrow. I just want, what is your, so 5 categories. I only have 4 up there, but that's okay because I want to show you how this is done. So first of all, what I'll need is a total, okay? And what I have is a total of 25, right? So to make a histogram, this is pretty easy, and I want it to be neat. Everything's got to be neat. If you can't make it neat, I will be so disappointed in you, okay? So to do it neat, you're going to need a ruler, right, the whole bit. And what I'm going to do is, on the bottom part of my histogram, and you've done this, the difference between a bar graph and a histogram is they touch. That's it. The bars touch. The bars touch in a histogram, okay? That's the only difference for right now, okay? So I put red, I put blue, whoops, I put green, sorry, blue, I put green, my bad, green, blue, yellow, so I'd go like, 5, 10. So my bar on red would go up to like 8, so I'd put a bar at 8 for red. And I want you to do a nice job, I really do. So when I do a histogram, I like to put the number in it. So if the number's in, then it's easy to read. 8 is in there. Green has got 6, so I'll make my bar go to 6. Okay, so I'll do it like this. And I'm going to use the colors because I want it to look nice. Okay, so this is pretty easy. So make that 6. Blue, I'm going to go all up to 5 on blue, so blue's at 5. And let's see if I have blue. I've got blue in here. Yep, I do. And I'm going to put my 5 in there. Make it nice and neat. And then my yellow goes up to 5 again. Okay. And then I'll put that in yellow. Okay. So there's my histogram, pretty easy. Now, here's what the hard part comes. And that is to make it into a circle graph. Now, here's what you got to watch. And you may have to share these with each other, and you guys, did you guys get one or not? You can just share mine. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my circle, and you don't have to draw, you can draw any circle, but to be nice and neat, I like these. These are great. Wish I had more of these. I need more of these. People borrow them and don't return them. So, here we go, pie graph. You want to borrow this? Here, you want to borrow that while I'm working? So the first thing I need to do is this. There are 360 degrees in a circle. Thumbs up, everybody? Thumbs up? Yeah. So the first thing I do when I make my circle graph is I make that line straight across. That's at 0 degrees, right? So I make that line straight across. That's at 0 degrees, okay? Now, red, I have 8 out of 25 people. And so what is 8 out of 25? Well, I can get a percentage. So if I go 8 out of 25, I get 32.32
And that's in terms of a percent. But now if I want the degree, I'm going to go 360 times my 0.32. Okay, write that down if you're not sure how to do this. 360 degrees, so 8/25 is what out of, yes? Yes. Yes. I'm going to show that, Grace. Nice job. So Grace said you can do the same thing. You just go 8 divided by 25 times 360. Save yourself some time, right, Grace? The only thing, though, is I want this percentage, okay? So I've got 115 degrees. All right? I'm going to steal that protractor back, okay? Now, everybody watch. Watch. Everybody watch. Look at this protractor. Everybody watch. Yes.
Where did you get the 25 from? Did you add up all your things?
Yeah, 25 people. Total. Did I not have 25 up there?
24.
Oh, well, all right. Thank you. Thank you for checking my work.
Because it's supposed to have 5 categories.
Well, there you go. I should probably have one on, right?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, well, one on orange. There you go.
I'll get one.
Okay, we'll put one on orange. There you go.
Sure. And orange, we'll go 1. Okay, so orange is right there. 1. Thanks, Maisie. Now, here's what I'm trying to show. And then, this is really important. So, to use these, and you don't have to have a circular protractor. You can have the half protractor. But watch. Here, right there. You're looking? Everybody looking? Right there's the center, right? Goes that spot right there goes in the center of the circle. It's here. Now everybody agrees that what's 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees, everybody agree?
Yeah.
Well, I need 115 degrees. Is that bigger or smaller than 90? So when I look for 115, I can find it right there. But there's 2 different numbers I'm looking at, right? If I put that 115 right there, that's wrong. That is not 115 degrees because 115 is bigger than 90. Everybody agree? So the way you read it is you just read the numbers starting at 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 115 is right about there. Does that make sense? That would be bigger than 90. Okay? So don't mess this up. It's really not that hard. But kids mess this up. They do. Okay, 115 is about there. So I'm going to draw in, and I'm going to make that red, because I like colors. Colors are cool. Doing a beautiful job. I want to do a beautiful job. Call that red. And then I want to put the percentage. I want this. I want you to put 32%. Where'd the 32 come from? Where'd the 32 come from?
Out of 8 out of 25.
Perfectly said. Couldn't have said it better. 8 out of 25 is 0.32. Nice job, which is 32%. Do you see that? So I want the name and the percentage. Okay, now here comes the tricky part that you won't miss because you're so smart. Okay. So then I'm going to go look at green. Right? And green is 6 out of 25. So 6 divided by 25 is 0.24. If I multiply that times 360, I'm going to get times 360, I get an answer of 86.4, or about 86 degrees, okay? Now, watch. Let me do it wrong. Watch. This is so wrong, it's unbelievable. I've already measured this angle. I've already measured this angle, right? This is wrong. I mean, 84 degrees? No. Well, I've already done this angle. So I'm going to take my protractor. I'm going to start it here. Or I can even take my paper and spin my paper. It doesn't really matter. But I need, in fact, it's easier to spin the paper and make this the horizontal and put my 84 there. See what I'm doing? So then I go 10 to 84 is right about there. It's less than 90. And I draw that in. Okay, and there is my green.
Okay, I'm gonna go green, I'm gonna call it green. All right, and I'm gonna put in my 24%. Where'd the 24 come from?
3 out of 6 out of 25.
Perfect, well said. Okay, then blue, I'm gonna do blue, blue is my 5 out of 25. 5 out of 25 is 0.2 or 20%. Times that by 360 and I get a 72-degree angle. Now watch. I can put my protractor like this. Now it looks upside down, but here's my line I'm starting with. Then I'm going to go this way. Okay, put the protractor at 0, 72, right? And here's my blue. Okay, my blue. Okay. Trying to do a beautiful job, nice and neat and beautiful, right? And then I'm going to go you guys got the idea, right? 20%.
Doesn't have to be exactly, right? Like,
Doesn't have to be exact, but close. I mean, it's hard to get it exact, right? And then my yellow, same. My yellow is going to be 5 out of 25, which is also 0.2 or 72 degrees. So again, I'll put my protractor, I'll flatten it out. And I'll go 72, which is about there. And what's left over obviously has to be my orange, right? So there's my orange and my yellow. Orange, okay. Orange. Oh, that's not yellow. My goodness, I grabbed the wrong thing. There we go. There's my yellow. Here's my yellow. Almost looks orange. Now, finally, yeah, I know. Finally, conclusion. What's my conclusion? Okay, my conclusion. And you have to tell me your conclusion. So my conclusion is this. I would say that more people liked red than any other color. And maybe I think it's because they're angry people or maybe they're in love. I don't know. What do you think? Because I'm interviewing angry people. That's my conclusion, right? Am I right? I don't know. It's and then same thing with orange is that here's my conclusion. Only one person liked orange. And I'll say that that's only because people don't like to eat fruits and vegetables anymore. I don't know, whatever my conclusion is, right? Right? So you guys, when you interview, people are going to tell you things, right? Or you can ask. So here's what we're going to do. Let me go ahead and stop my recording. We're going to have to share our protractors, which is kind of a